There is something about yourself that you don't know. Something that you will deny even exists until it's too late to do anything about it. It's the only reason you get up in the morning. The only reason you suffer the shitty boss, the blood, the sweat and the tears. This is because you want people to know how good, attractive, generous, funny, wild and clever you really are. Fear or revere me, but please think I'm special. We share an addiction. We're approval junkies. We're all in it for the slap on the back and the gold watch. The hip hip who fucking raw. Look at the clever boy with the badge, polishing his trophy. Shine on, you crazy diamond. Because we're just monkeys, wrapped in suits, begging for the approval of others. If we knew this, we wouldn't do this. Someone is hiding it from us. And if you had a second chance, you would ask
why.
He's got all the tricks and all the right answers.
Don't let them do this to you, Jake. Don't let them turn you against you.
You don't give because it's good. You give because it hurts him.
I can hear you. I can hear you. What? I can hear you. I'm onto you.
Who takes care of the good times, Jake?
We're a team.
We're best pals, Jake. You want to get rid of me? You know life without me?
You don't know life without me.
Do you know life without me? No, because it doesn't exist. Do they talk about me, Jake? No, because I don't exist. Tell all your friends about me then, Jake.
I protect you, and I control you. If I say do, you obey. If I say you're scared,
You're scared!
Been listening to the other side, haven't you, Jake?
Listening to people that want to hurt you, Jake.
New people.
No!
Not old friends like me.
People you shouldn't trust.
Not me. I've been your friend forever, since the beginning. Get rid of them, Jake.
Forever.
They're the enemy.
Not me.
They're new. I'm old. I stay, they go. I say, you do.
You're weak without me. Weak. It's us against them, Jake. It's us against them. I'm coming to get you.
You want to get rid of me, Jake? You want to make an enemy out of me? You want to get rid of me, do ya? Do ya? You want to get rid of me? Me. Boom. Ha. Still here, Jake. How long have I looked after you?
You can't win this one without me. Oh, no. You know why? I am you. You ain't me.
The greatest con that he ever pulled was making you believe that he is you.
You ain't me.
I am you!
You're not me.
Come on!
Your best fucking friend!
I am you!
You don't control me. I control you.
Nobody knows where the enemy is. They don't even know he exists. He's in every one of their heads. And they trust him. Because they think they are him. If you try to destroy him to save them, they'll destroy you to save him.
There is something about yourself that you don't know. Something that you will deny even exists.